Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Earnings.
What does the dictionary say?
Money obtained in return for labor or services.
Math rap.
Money made for things you do or sell, get paid by salary, hourly, or by task as well. If earning money is your current mission, you can even earn earnings by earning commission.
Math rap.
Explain earnings in your own words. Do you have a yearning for earning? If instead of money you could be paid with anything else, what would it be? Chocolate bars? Apples? List 5 alternatives to being paid by money. Research and list advantages and disadvantages of earning money by salary, by hourly wage, per job, or by commission. More research. What is the hourly minimum wage where you live? What do you do with the money you earn? Do you save or spend it? Explain. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!